The first impression of the MSP844 is one of clean functionality. Meross packages it like a serious home infrastructure product rather than a gadget. Everything about the presentation suggests stability and purpose. This is meant to live permanently in your workspace, entertainment center, or smart living room setup. Inside the box, the experience is refreshingly simple. The strip itself is the centerpiece, accompanied by documentation and the essential setup guidance. Meross also includes the quick start materials that emphasize how Matter devices are meant to work. Scan the code, connect through your platform of choice, and avoid the complexity that has traditionally made smart home accessories feel intimidating. The Meross MSP844 Matter Smart Fast Charging Power Strip feels like the kind of upgrade that makes immediate sense in daily use. It combines fast USB charging, 4 dependable sockets, Matter-enabled cross-platform automation, strong local security, and serious safety design into one clean, modern power solution. For anyone building a Matter smart home or simply wanting a smarter, safer, and more future-proof way to manage power on a desk or in the living room, the MSP844 is an easy and highly practical recommendation. Physically, the Meross MSP844 is designed like something that belongs in a serious home setup. It offers 4 full-size sockets with generous spacing, along with integrated USB charging ports that eliminate the need for separate adapters. What elevates the build is the clear focus on safety and durability. Meross positions the strip as a heavy-duty power solution with CE and TUV certification, fire retardant housing rated for extreme resistance, and overload protection designed for long-term reliability. The strip is engineered to handle up to 16 ampere loads, meaning it is not only for phone chargers and desk lamps, but also for more demanding appliances that require stable power delivery. Meross emphasizes durability through full plug-in testing and robust internal wiring, which gives the kind of confidence you want from something that will sit permanently in your home, quietly managing multiple devices every day. The real value of the MSP844 reveals itself not in setup, but in daily life. This is the kind of product that makes sense the moment you place it on a desk or in an entertainment setup. This is not only a power strip, but also a charging station, reducing cable clutter and eliminating the constant hunt for adapters. In everyday use, the strip becomes a kind of silent upgrade that makes a home feel more organized. Your phone charges quickly, your tablet stays topped up, your desk becomes cleaner, and your appliances become controllable through automation routines rather than manual switches. The setup process is where the MSP844 immediately feels like a true next-generation Matter device. Pairing is almost effortless. With a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and a modern smartphone, you simply scan the Matter code and your preferred ecosystem recognizes the strip instantly. A Matter hub such as an Echo Dot, HomePod Mini, Apple TV 4K, or Google Nest Hub is required, but this is part of the new smart home architecture, enabling secure, local control even without relying on the cloud. Once connected, the MSP844 stands out because it is no longer locked into one platform, becoming a shared and flexible power component across your entire